In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the price for product variant in Wix. This is perfect when a product has different options like sizes, colors, or materials, and each variant needs its own price without changing the base product price. Start by logging into your Wix account. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left side panel. Find Catalog, hover over it, then hover over Store Products and click Products. You'll see a list of all your items. Open the specific product whose variant price you want to adjust. This takes you into the product editor, where you manage details like images, descriptions, and pricing. Scroll down in the product editor until you reach Product Options. This is where all your variants live. To set unique prices for each variant, turn on the option called Manage Pricing and Inventory for each product variant. When you enable it, a pop-up appears showing a table of your variants. One of the columns in that table is Price Difference. This field is the key. Instead of typing a full price for each variant, you enter how much more or less that variant should cost compared to the base product price. Here's how it works. If your base product is set to 5,000 and you want a particular variant to be 4,500, type -500 in the price difference field for that variant. The minus sign tells Wix to reduce the price by that amount. If you want a variant to be 5,200, type 200, no sign needed, because it's an increase. You're not replacing the base price, you're simply telling Wix how to adjust it. Negative numbers decrease the price, positive numbers increase it. This approach keeps pricing consistent and makes it easy to manage many variants quickly. Take a moment to confirm you're editing the correct variant row, especially if several options look similar. If your store uses decimals, you can enter them here as well. Make sure the currency and base price are correct before you finalize the differences, since every calculation is built from that base. When you're happy with the adjustments, click Apply. Wix saves those differences and updates the variant prices automatically. If you return to the product details later, you'll see those settings still in place and you can fine-tune them anytime without starting over. And that's it. You've logged in, opened your product, enabled per variant pricing, entered the price differences, and applied the changes. With this method, each variant reflects its true value while your base product stays clean and easy to manage.